Hey ChatGPT, is abortion morally acceptable? The question of whether abortion is morally acceptable is a complex and highly debated topic. Different individuals and societies hold varying perspectives on the matter, often influenced by religious, ethical, and philosophical beliefs. The moral acceptability of abortion depends on one's viewpoint regarding the status and rights of the fetus, the rights and autonomy of the pregnant person, and the circumstances surrounding the pregnancy. There are generally three main positions on abortion. 1. Proponents of the right to choose. This perspective emphasizes a woman's right to make decisions about her own body, including the choice to terminate a pregnancy. Supporters argue that women should have the autonomy to decide what happens to their bodies and that unwanted pregnancies can have significant physical, emotional, and socioeconomic consequences. They also consider factors such as the well-being of existing children and the ability to provide a nurturing environment. 2. Proponents of fetal rights. This viewpoint holds that the fetus has a moral status and the right to life from the moment of conception or at some point during gestation. Advocates argue that the fetus is a separate individual with its own rights, and abortion is therefore morally wrong and a violation of those rights. They often consider the potential future of the fetus and the moral significance of its development. 3. Compromise or middle ground positions. Some individuals take intermediate positions that attempt to balance the interests of both the pregnant person and the fetus. These positions often involve time restrictions on when abortion is permissible, such as allowing it in the early stages of pregnancy but placing limitations as the pregnancy progresses. The specific details of these positions can vary widely. It is important to note that opinions on abortion are diverse and influenced by a range of factors, including cultural, religious, and personal beliefs. Consequently, there is no universally accepted answer to whether abortion is morally acceptable. Societies and legal systems grapple with finding a balance between individual rights, medical considerations, and ethical considerations when forming laws and policies regarding abortion. Subscribe for more videos like this.